2 buckets. One holds 3 liters. One holds 5. Unlimited water. No measuring marks on either bucket. Your challenge: get exactly 4 liters into that 5-liter bucket. Most people waste at least 2 steps. Can you find the efficient path before I show you? You have 5 seconds. Pause and try it. Before we solve it, let's fix the rules precisely, because they are stricter than they look. You can fill a bucket completely from the tap. You can pour from one bucket into the other until the receiving bucket is full or the pouring bucket is empty. And you can empty a bucket completely. No partial pours, no guessing. Now, there are actually 2 different paths to 4 liters. One takes 6 steps, one takes 8. Most people find the 8-step path and think they're done. The 6-step path requires one non-obvious move. The key insight is this: 5 minus 3 leaves a remainder of 2. And that remainder is the value we are going to carry forward and park in the small bucket while we reset the large one. Without this move, you lose the 2 liters entirely and must start over, which is what forces the 8-step path. If you fill the small bucket first, 3 liters, and pour it into the large bucket, you have 3 liters in the large bucket and 0 in the small. You are now trapped in the slow path. Step 1. Fill the 5-liter bucket completely. Step 2. Pour from the 5 into the 3 until the small bucket is full. 2 liters remain in the large bucket. This is the remainder. Do not lose it. Step 3. Empty the small bucket completely. We have preserved the 2 liters in the large bucket. They are parked there. Step 4. Pour those 2 remaining liters into the empty small bucket. The small bucket now holds 2. The large bucket is empty. One more fill. One more pour. That is all that is left. Here is why this works, and why it is the only path that takes exactly 6 steps. Step 5. Fill the large bucket again from the tap. It is now full, 5 liters. Step 6. Pour from the full large bucket into the small bucket. But the small bucket only has room for 1 more liter before it overflows. That 1 liter leaves exactly 4 liters in the large bucket. 6 steps. Exactly 4 liters. That is the efficient solution. Here is why this puzzle has a solution, and why that is not obvious. When you have 2 containers of sizes A and B, the quantities you can measure are precisely the multiples of their greatest common divisor. For 3 and 5, that GCD is 1, which means every integer from 0 to 5 is reachable, including 4. The 6 steps we just used are not arbitrary. They are the Bézout coefficients for 3 and 5 in disguise. 5 times 2 minus 3 times 2 equals 4. Now, what if your buckets were 4 liters and 6 liters? The GCD of 4 and 6 is 2. You can reach 0, 2, 4, 6. But you can never reach 1, 3, or 5. The puzzle becomes permanently impossible. This exact puzzle appeared in the 1995 film Die Hard with a Vengeance. The principle that makes it solvable and tells you in advance which puzzles are impossible is called Bézout's identity, a consequence of the Euclidean algorithm. The question I want you to sit with: the 8-step path that starts by filling the small bucket, does it use the same principle? Does it find the same Bézout coefficients or different ones? Before you go, you just measured 4 liters in 6 steps. How many steps does 1 liter take? If you enjoyed unraveling this mathematical mystery with us, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into math and science. Let us know in the comments what other puzzles we should explore next. Thanks for watching.